What the heck? Basiru, what the heck is that? Dude, it's my car. Okay, I know that. But we can't do the video with that thing right here. Just give me a second. Okay guys, this is going to be super easy. You don't have to worry about anything. And to make this effect, we are not going to use any 3D models. That's why it's important. We are only using 2D, a 2D picture, and that is gonna be so easy for us. Okay, let's start our new composition from a new footage. You can just import your footage, and it should be like this. Just tell your character to imagine lifting a car. That should do it. Okay, and also we're gonna need the image of the car, so let's open that up too. Alright, okay, then let's start editing. First of all, import drag the image to the composition, place it on top of your main clip, and here my image is flipped to the other side, so I'll just turn it to here. That looks great. I have something like this. It's not, transparent, so I have to cut it, mask it out. Only the Lamborghini, the car actually. Yes. Okay, and go to the pen tool, or you can just press G for that. Okay, and here we go. Do this a little bit precisely, because it's going to be a big part of this video you're making. So we are going to leave the wheels without masking, because they are round, and if we try to mask, it will not work. We'll go in another way. We'll do another trick to mask it out too. Now we have what we need. Now we have what we need. So now go to this place, rectangle. Just keep clicking on it. uh, just hold your right mouse button for a while on that, and you'll find this bar. Select ellipse tool and drag and draw, an, draw an ellipse here like this, and it will mask out the wheel. We can now select the ellipse and we can adjust it as the wheel. Okay, and now let's go select that tool again, and then we can draw another one. Okay, um, okay, let's do this again to the other wheel too. Okay, that should do everything. Now it's time to animate. Now place your uh, image in a suitable place. Okay, already settled. And now we have to you know, adjust the transform the anchor point of this image. So if you go to this uh, place here in the transform of this your image, you can find the anchor point, and you can drag it like this until it comes to the rear wheel, because in here our real wheel is going to be still all the time. So if we can rotate the car from here, it's gonna be so easy for us. And now it is placed, and we can start animating. Now add keyframes to position and rotation, and move further and rotate your picture while also moving it. Do this until the until you have to do it. Okay, just keep animating, it's gonna take a little while. Okay, now we have done it. Alright, now let's add some motion blur to this so it will look awesome. Alright, and then we have to add the shadow to this. So now after animating this, we have to take a make a copy of this your car. Press Ctrl C and plus Ctrl plus C, and then press Ctrl plus V. Then in the bottom image, go to effects and in perspective select drop shadow, and in this effects control panel select tick this shadow only box, and then you see this little shadow has appeared here, and that is not what we wanted. Okay, so then now we have to make the shadow 3D, and we have to rotate it down. Okay, now you see there is a problem here. The shadow is going up before the car moves. So to do that, go to the shadows properties and move to this last frame before you begin the animations you did the past, like then, and then move your clip to where you want it to be. Hey, that looks awesome. That looks fine. Alright. So if it does not look realistic, you can add some softness to the shadow. That should do everything. Okay, so guys, that's it then. It was a pretty easy effect to make. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Okay guys, it's over. It's easy and it's finished, and so
hope you guys liked it, and it was very easy, right, Pasya?
Yeah.
So actually he's terribly worried about his car, and so that's it for today. We'll be back in next week as normally. See you guys there. Bye bye.
I need to get my car.